Hello friends, this is Aditi and today on Prima English, we are going to learn one of the most powerful secrets of fluent English. And that is, stop translating from your mother tongue. Start thinking directly in English. Why is this important? Let me give you an example. Suppose you want to say, I am hungry. If you first think in your mother tongue and then translate word by word, your speech will become slow and unnatural. But if you already practice the sentence in English, your mind will pick it up instantly. So, how can we train ourselves to think in English? The answer is start small. Begin with simple daily thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, instead of saying in your mind, I need to brush my teeth in your local language, try saying it directly in English. I need to brush my teeth. When you are drinking water, think, the water is cold. When you are walking outside, think, the weather is hot today. In the beginning, it will feel strange because your mind is not used to it, but slowly your brain will make it a habit. Thinking in English reduces the time gap between thought and speech and makes your English sound natural and fluent. Another tip, keep a notebook and write short daily routines in English. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock, I take a bath, I go to school. By writing them, you are teaching your mind to think directly in English. So remember, fluency is not about knowing hundreds of grammar rules. It's about being able to express your thoughts quickly. And that will only help if you train your brain to think in English, not in translation. Friends, try this exercise from today and you will notice the difference in just few weeks. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and bye from Aditi.